Right now, we have some information related. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, first up, let's talk about the design of the S25 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Come with the new Note design is reborn. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Come with the rounded sides, but not too much rounded. So if we compare Galaxy S25 Ultra with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra or S20 Ultra from few years ago, you can still see the hint of the Note S24 Ultra's design while making it even more comfortable. And if we talking about the display, Galaxy S25 Ultra come with the flat display, bezels, and we are expected to see some record-breaking bezels. Now, Ice Universe has also tweet related to the Samsung Galaxy XR. According to the Ice Universe, Samsung's big 2025 plan, apparently the design and the features of the S25 Ultra will complement Samsung Galaxy XR. Talking about the Galaxy XR headset project, Samsung is working on Galaxy XR headset project quite some time, about 2 to 3 years. And finally now, Galaxy XR come with the Galaxy S25 series in the next year. Now the Galaxy S25 series come with the One UI 7.1 version. But before One UI 7.1, we could see One UI 7.0 version. Really soon, in the One UI 7.0 come with the best animations, the most elegant, smooth animations that we have ever seen on a Samsung UI. Apparently, Samsung wasn't completely satisfied, which is why they're further polishing the One US 7.0 Beta 1 in order to get the best result. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.